Hello and welcome to Global Booth. Are you a social sector professional or are you a part of any NGO or CBO or a trust? Are you looking forward for potential professionals to be hired under your umbrella for various roles? Or are you an NGO who has been constantly posting workshops and not getting any results or attendees for those workshops? Or are you a CSR head from any corporate and looking forward for potential NGOs to work for your projects led by you? Or are you a vendor who has a project in place but wants a good collaboration with potential NGOs who can work for you on your project? Well, look no further. This video is going to be very essential for you. Global Board is India's first ever social sector related platform which can cater to all your social sector requirements. From a single platform, you can reach out to n number of audience with complete transparency. All your events, right from social sector related jobs to workshops and trainings to awards and competitions to exhibitions and summits to funding updates to RFPs and so on and so forth, you can get the relevant audience with just a click. Now let me take you forward as to how can you avail this fantastic service. Go to Google Play Store and click and type Glocalbodh, Glocalbodh. It's just a one word, a single word, Glocalbodh, and install the mobile application. Once you install it, you will be directed to its sign in page as such. Click on sign in with Google. Select the Google account of your choice. Update the contact details. And in the referral code option, just leave it blank. This section will be covered in the next video as to how can you avail free annual subscription for Global Board. Click on submit. Select your language of your choice. Select who you are within the social sector. Let's say if you are a trustee or a board member, you select this, or you are an NGO staff, you'll select this, so on and so forth. If you are a CSR professional, select this, so on and so forth. Click on next. Select which entity do you belong to. Click on next. Select the state where you reside in India. Click on next. Now here you can click on all the services of which you would be requiring the notifications for. Let's say I am a job seeker or an MSW student and I want updates or push notifications received from jobs only, then I'll select jobs. If you're an NGO and looking for funding updates on a regular basis and want push notifications on the same, you can select funding updates. Similarly, for my convenience, I will select all the options and click on submit. Now it asks for CSR eligibility test. This is a unique test created by us for gauging your potential to raise funds as an NGO or a CBO. For now, I'm skipping this as this video focuses only on how you can post jobs or your events on this application. Now as you can see on the home page, there are many jobs available which are live and ready to be applied for. In event section, you can see awards and competitions, you can see workshops and trainings going on, you can see exhibitions and summits going on, right? Now how can you post, how can your event or how can your post can appear on this application? Let me just get to it. On the bottom tab, click on services, scroll down and you'll be able to see what would you like to post section. In here, if you're looking for posting a job, click on jobs. If you're looking for posting an event, which can be either workshops or trainings or exhibitions and summits or awards and competitions, select either. If you are a funding agency or a CSR head, click on funding. If you want to post anything pertaining to the RFP or tenders, click on RFP and tenders. Now, once you click on any of these sectors for the first time, it will ask you to update your KYC. Now, this is a mandatory process which we cover to recognize you as an organization who will be willing to post anything on our application. Now, in this particular KYC process, we do not ask you to submit any kind of document for verification. We will just check the availability of the documents with you. I'll put in the details as organization name, organization detail as what your organization does. If there is any website link, you can enter it so. You can put your official email ID here. Now remember, all the invoices of the services bought by you will be mailed automatically to this official email ID which you put in here. So please make sure that you put it right. Also, second important thing is, once you enter these KYC details, you cannot edit it from the application. For security reasons, we have not kept any provision out here so that you can update it right here. You will have to raise a request to inquiry@glocalboat.com, as you can see on the screen, to this mail, in case you feel that you need to change any details which you have misclicked or wrongly put during the KYC process. Now, about organization, you need to select the thematic area you cater to. Let's say as an entity, I cater to health, old age, education, sanitation related projects, child sexual abuse, women empowerment, solid waste management, eradication of the hunger issues, livelihood skills and development, so on and so forth. Click outside. If you want to deselect any of these options, you can click on the cross button and that option will be deselected. You can put the office address as in brief, not in detail. Now here I am putting my office address. Perfect. Nearby landmarks optional. Use my current location. If you use this as an option, it will pick the current location where you are and automatically fill in the location details. Now, as I rightly mentioned, we will be not asking for any documents, any sort of documents for verification from your side, but we want to make sure that you have it with you whenever they are required for. So now, as I can see, as an organization, I have my registration certificate, I have my PAN card, I have my 12A, I have my ATG, but FCRA and MCA forms are not there. So I'll select those which are there and click on submit. And my KYC is successful. Now you can post anything, any event or any job of your choice. Now as you can see, I click on post an event. If let's say I want to post a workshop which is upcoming, I'll select workshop. Then I can see there are 3 different packages with 2 different features out here. Now these packages are explained as follows. If you want your post to be available on our application for 7 days, select the 7 days package. If you want it for 15 days, select 15 days, or if you want to keep it for a month, select 30 days, right? So after this package expires, on the 31st day, if I select the 30 days package, on the 31st day, the post will automatically get deleted from our application. Now the difference between premium and standard is premium posts are visible at the top of the list. Let's say for example, in here funding update section, all the posts which are tagged as featured are premium posts, and all the posts which are not tagged as featured are standard posts. Now as you can see, all the premium posts are atop the list so that they get maximum visibility, and there are higher chances of those events to be opened and registered for as compared to the standard ones. Now let's go again in services. I'll go workshops and trainings. I'll select the 30 days package. I'll select the premium package, and then I'll go ahead. You can see all the details pertaining to your package selection are right here. The event selected is workshops and training, premium package, real-time access to number of clicks, priority outreach, and so on and so forth. You can see the pricing out here. You can see the expiry date on here. And now this expiry date is the date when this package will expire, or when the post will automatically get deleted from our application. If you want to go ahead, you can proceed payment. Now the most important thing is, in case you want to put your post for free, please make sure that you reply to us that you want to put your post for free. As a pre-launch offer, we will be giving you a coupon code of your choice, which you can put it here and have this post for free. Let's say I put, just for the sake, I put demo, and I get total pay 0, and I get the entire discount, 100% discount on this post. Now I can proceed to payment, and payment of 0 rupees has been successful. This is so simple. It is that simple to select a package and go ahead. Now the next part comes is to put all the requirements or all the essentials of your event. We have given you two different choices. We have our website link by the name www.glocalboat.com, and also we have it here on the application. Now there are chances that all the data pertaining to your event are saved in your laptop or your desktop, or there can be a chance that all that data is right here in your phone, where you want to fill in. You can choose either of them. If you wish to fill all the details from your laptop, you can go to www.glocalboat.com, sign in with the account from which you have signed in this application, and you will see only that event unlocked for which you have done the payment. Or you can choose to continue from here. Right now I'll choose to continue from here and open the web browser. As you can see, the web browser is getting loaded. Or you can simply go to glocalboat.com. I'll log out right now and select the account from where I have done the payment. Now as you can see, there are 4 different sections. In these sections, only the events section is unlocked, out of which only the workshop section is unlocked. Everything else is locked. Yeah. On similar terms, you will be able to see it on your laptop or a desktop. Now I click on create, select workshops and training, and I can fill all the details pertaining to my workshop. I can fill in the event title, I can fill in the organization, organized by, about event, topics covered, event timing. Yes, I can select the timing out here, from to and from AM and PM. I can select the option for the event. Is it an online event or an offline event? If it's an online event, no locations will be provided. If it's an offline event, you can select the venue with state and district. You can put in the speaker details. You can enter the fields and put in which speakers will be there. You can put in the fees if you want. You can put the seat limit if there is any, and also you can put the web page for your link. So this link is very important because this is the link which the audience will be redirected to once they click on your event. After that, you can put the name of the organizer or the organization or the SPOC who has posted this. And last but not the least, you can put the last application date or the date of submission. Now mind you, this application date will be lesser than the package expiry date which is written here, which is 15 Jan 2022. If the application date last application date is 16 Jan, the event will get deleted on 15 Jan itself. If the last application date is, let's say, 13 Jan, that is before the package expiry date, the event will be deleted on 13 Jan instead of 15 Jan. So whichever date is lesser between the last package expiry date and the date which you put in here in the last application date, the package event will be deleted automatically on that date. You agree to the terms and conditions, and then you submit it. Once you submit it, your event will be live on the mobile application, just like that. Once you do it, you will be able to track all the amount of clicks on your event in the account section, accounts, my posts, in my event section. So whichever section you have paid it for, you will be able to get all the details on that. Also in my job section, you will be able to get all the applicant details who have applied for the job. You will be able to download their resumes. You will be able to contact them with their registered phone number. You will be able to email them with their registered email ID. You will be also able to give a notification that the resume is accepted or rejected by you, and that will be timely notified at runtime to the applicant once you accept it or reject it. So as you can see, this application comprises of all the live things which go in this sector. If in case you wish to access any jobs or something, it will ask you for annual subscription. So to waive that off, what you can do is go to the account section, click on referral, and invite your friend, social sector friend, by clicking on invite button and sharing this WhatsApp to them. Let's say I share this here. Such kind of message with your referral code will be given, which is for example, here my referral code is 3V22KQTH, right? Now remember, while signing in, you put your mobile number and then you put your referral code, which I said let's skip it and go submit, go ahead, right? If your friend uses your code, your referral code, during his first sign up and puts your referral code in that referral code section and submits it, you both get free annual subscription. You both get free annual subscription for Local Boost for the entire year. You will be able to access all the funding updates. You will be able to access all the events, go to these events, log in and go ahead. You can do explore the application, in short. Yes. Now what I want you to do is download this application, go through these services, complete your KYC, and in case you feel anything which you are not able to go ahead, you can go to our chat section and ask for help. We'll reply. We'll make sure that we reply within 24 hours of time. You can type in any language that you want, need help, or if I change my language to Marathi, I can do that, or Hindi, like so on and so forth. We will make sure that we reply in time. Thank you so much.